Little River Band, LRB, and Lady on Bay FM. Jude was up with, I'll just get my tongue back in my mouth. Jude with you up until 12 o'clock today, and we're doing Bay Health. And in the studio, I've got Madonna Guy from New Leaf and a friend of hers who was once her client, or probably still is, Monica. And we're talking about her health was that bad. And then, arriving on her white charger, we had the lovely Madonna. Now, we're going to be talking about her weight loss, which has been significant.
Yes. So, obviously, one of the big... I think I've mentioned before, Dr. Pamela Peake, who I heard in live a couple of months ago, was phenomenal. And she said people who have an abusive childhood, if they are not overweight, it's more because they have just had their tribe around them, keeping them safe and healthy ever since. It's amazing if people have had abuse and they don't become obese. Mm. Can we say that was you, Monica?
I've been obese all my life.
All your life?
I lost 4.5 stone to meet my husband, and not long after we were married, because the abuse started, I was back up there, and
of course, as a child, watching your mother be beaten by your father, so there was that massive childhood abuse going on as well. Yeah. So Dr. Pamela Peake actually talks about how things like abuse changes our genes, switches on our obesity genes, and then it's very challenging to turn that around. But Monica has lost 31 kilos.
Which is amazing.
Yeah.
You should be so proud of yourself. So now you're fighting fit, trim, and terrific. Is there another man on the scene?
No, definitely not.
So may I, Monica, is that because you don't want to attract the same type of person? But I don't think you would now. What do you think, Madonna?
Oh, I think exactly the same thing. I think there's no way that she would be attracted to someone who just doesn't work in her happy, healthy lifestyle. And she's just shaking her head, people. There is no... It would have to be a gem of a man, I think, to turn that around.
Yes,
an absolute gem of a...
And that's okay, because, not all of us want a man.
Exactly.
It's like having another child sometimes, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, he was.
There you go. Excuse me. I walked a couple of years in your shoes. So what treatment, how did you get her on track to health, besides losing the weight, or how did you do that?
So, Monica, we've basically used the HCG program along with the consolidation.
Yes. So for 40, when I started, I went off on the HCG drops with a 500 calorie diet.
Wow.
For 42 days.
500 calories.
There's a process.
Yeah. And I tell you what, in those 42 days, I had an extra 100 grams of prawns, because you don't get too many prawns for 100 grams. So apart from that, I did so well, and that gave me a boost to start off with. Mm-hmm. And then I went on consolidation, and that stayed off. And over the time, I have you do consolidation, and then I have a little I call free time.
Yeah.
And then I go back on the drops and HCG drops, and then the consolidation again, and then have a little bit more free time. But
so has it taught you, now this is the interesting part, has it, besides the drops and everything teaching your body, has your mental brain taught you how to eat healthily now?
Yes.
Yay! Yeah. That's the main thing, isn't it?
Absolutely. Now she's fully aware when she's having an emotional day. And she can see it, all of a sudden those hunger hormones kick in, and all the brain's trying to do is stuff down that emotional gear.
But also, I just read a really, really good documentary, saw on SBS last week, and it was called The Sugar Conspiracy.
Yeah.
Now, there's so much sugar in stuff that people are getting addicted to the McDonald's buns.
Absolutely.
The burgers come on.
Yes.
So a bit of that as well. If you're eating junk food, and it sounds like, Monica, you and I are like, twins,
yes.
It's so bad for you because you're craving it all the time. Your blood sugar levels go too low, and all you want to do is stuff something in your mouth. So this is a great success story. We're going to be talking about it a bit later on. You're listening to Bay FM. We're doing Bay Health, and we've got Madonna Guy with Monica right here on Bay FM.